Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use embraces on murf.ai. So without any time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going to murf.ai. This thing I already in description below for easy access. You need to log in here with your Gmail. This is enough. So first of all, click on create project. Just click on here, then select a name. So I want to type ABC. You can type anything here. Then default workspace. Then create project. Just click on this icon. So now paste your paragraph you want to space up. So I already add a paragraph. Our operating engine fields email and phone number. This is my para. So I want to click just process. Just click on here. Then you can see a remove node or reset and rendering option. So this is loading. I'm waiting few seconds. You can see our priority engine field, and now just click on I want to here. Just click on this menu, then again click on this menu. Wow, just remove node. If you click on remove node, okay, your work are already done. So I again want to add here and here remove node. Just preview. Wow,
Our proprietary engine finds emails and phone numbers from multiple sources and validates them in seconds. Master LinkedIn Lead Generation Tutorial 2024.
so I want to again use on first line. Just click on menu and this on menu. Wow, then again preview.
Our proprietary engine finds emails and phone numbers
Okay,
from multiple...
I guess it's already worked. So here's the more option. If you want to speech up, speed, at pause, pronunciation, etc., lots of surface and option available right now. So now I want to export this audio, and just click on download menu. If you want to more video, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have subscribed this channel and like this video. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.